We came here where the wild winds blow, where the endless blue begins to glow. I still remember all the nights when we lost our way beneath the lights.
I carried words I couldn't say and watched our love slowly fade away. But standing here beside you now, I feel a different future somehow.
The waves are whispering soft and low. There's somewhere new for us to go.
If you can take my hand tonight, I'll walk with you into the light.
Let's begin again, just you and me, like the morning sun across the sea.
All the tears we cried, let them disappear.
There's a brand new road when I hold you near. On this distant cape beneath the open sky, we make a promise, you and I. No matter where the ocean carries us, we'll find our way back to love. Far beyond the cape, the sea is bright. Silver waves are dancing in the light. I can see tomorrow in your eyes, like a new dawn slowly filling the skies.
I know we cannot change yesterday, but we can choose a different way. If you still believe in me somehow, I'll give you every part of me now.
The wind is warm, the clouds are gone. Two hearts are facing toward the dawn.
Let's begin again, just you and me, like the morning sun across the sea. All the tears we cried, let them disappear. There's a brand new road when I hold you near.
On this distant cape beneath the open sky, we make a promise, you and I.
No matter where the ocean carries us,
we'll find our way back to love. If tomorrow brings another storm, I will stay here in your arms. And if the night becomes too long,
I'll be beside you, keeping strong. We don't need to know where the road will lead.
we only need this love we feel.
With your hand in mine,
I finally see
the hope that waits for you and me.
Let's begin again, just you and me,
Watching forever,
across the sea.
every broken dream can bloom once more.
When two hearts choose
What they're living for on this distant cape,
beneath the fading light,
we promise to make tomorrow right. And as the waves keep rolling endlessly,
I'll choose you, and you'll choose me. Far beyond the sea, a new day starts.
a gentle hope is filling our hearts.
We begin again. You